Konnichiwa, hope everyone's good. It's time for an EDC update, so I'll just get straight into it. So for the bandana, I think it's a UCO simple basic bandana with some survival instructions printed on it. Phone is iPhone. I think it's the Ace 4, not the Ace 4, that's a Samsung. iPhone 4 or 4S, it's one of those. It's a phone, I don't really care. It does phone stuff. I've got the battery charging case on it. Flashlight. Got the Olight SR2 baton. Thinking about upgrading sometime next week to something else. Maybe it's another Olight. Nothing wrong with this. Still works perfectly fine. I just fancy a change. Right in the rain notepad. Thinking about changing them as well to a different brand. Forgot what it was, but it was going for a lot cheaper than Right in the Rain. It's basically the same thing as well, so might swap that out. Can't remember what it is off my head, but I'll see if I can put a link in the description if I remember, if anyone's interested. For his writing utensils, I've got some new ones. Mechanical pencil by Otto, or OHTO, No Knock, Auto Shop, made out of aluminium. It's a nice heavy duty pencil. I like it. I think it's 9mm. Forgot what it is. Not 0.5mm. Just a good all-round sort of size for me. That's new pencil. New pen. The Maxpedition Spicata. I've got the aluminium version of this, and I've been wanting the stainless steel one for a while, and I just found out that Maxpedition stopped making these, so I just jumped on the chance to buy the stainless steel version whilst I still can. In my opinion, these are the best pens you can get. Just my opinion. So that's that. Still using the same old Zippo brass lighter. I've gave it a little bit of a heat. Patina. Looks a little nicer, I think, but I don't think this camera will pick it up that much. But just the same old brass Zippo that I've always carried. Might be getting another one as well, just to spice things up instead of just carrying the same thing all the time. Knife. Still using the Nakami. The black coating's starting to wear off, but I like the way that looks. I think once it's worn off completely, I might mirror polish the grind, and the top part I'll give it more of a matte, or I might put a bit of a patina on the top part and keep this part mirror polished. That's the Nakami. Multi-tools changed. Can never do it on camera. M600. I've had this for a while. There you go. Just gathering dust, so I thought I would break it out and use it. It's just the basic one, nothing fancy. It's got the blade, screwdrivers, file, can opener, Phillips, and the serrated blade, and the lanyard hole, and that's that. Keys have changed a little bit. Still got the Phoenix NW20 whistle. Uncle Bill's slither grippers. A new item. True utility fish face. Got a little bit of paint on it. Just used it before to pry open a paint can. It's brand new, so I'll see how well it holds up over the next month. And another new item, the Olight I1R mini flashlight. Thing is tiny, just 2 modes, 5 lumens, and I think the turbo is 125 or 120, but it's a really nice little light. It's rechargeable, so I really like that. So it came with its own little charging cable. I think it needs to be charged up a little bit. Yeah, it needs to be charged again. We don't need to use the one that it came with, just any standard mini USB will fit it. I'm still carrying the keys on the Maxpedition Tritium keychain, and that's pretty much the keys minus keys, because apparently people can copy your keys from YouTube videos. But that's that. So the wallet is also new. It's the Fly Industries EDC wallet, made out of Cordura. So far I like it. It's got 6 card slots in one clear one for ID, and 2 large buckets for money. And here I'm just using the Victorinox Swiss Card Classic with a ferrocerium rod taped onto it. It's just a simple one with the knife blade, scissors, file, toothpick, tweezers, and a pen. So a little signal mirror, little fishing kit, Fresnel lens, and the silver 1000 yen. I'm just carrying the wallet on the homemade paracord wallet chain with a Maxpedition keeper that attaches to the belt, and that's pretty much the wallet. Simple wallet. So far it's very slim, narrow profile. I like it, but it's brand new, so another thing, we'll see how it holds up after this month and see if we'll continue using it after that. Nothing wrong with the Bomber leather wallet, I really like that, I just fancy something a bit different. So my watch is the Casio G-Shock. GA100MC. I just put new batteries in this a month ago, and they were just some cheap crap, so they're running out. I'll have to find some high quality batteries, but that's the watch, and that's it for my personal EDC. I'll get into the bag now. So for the bag, I'm going back to my old Maxpedition Pygmy Falcon. So in here I've got a little bike light, just in case I've got to walk along roads at night. Got the Swiss M48 water bottle, as always. Awesome water bottle, highly recommend it. Military grade, real strong, reliable. Comes with an aluminium cup. First aid kit. Which I'm not going to get into, but it's the same as it's always been. I've only added some gloves in a new tube of crazy glue or super glue, whatever you want to call it. Snug pack patrol poncho. And this is just a .6 litre dry bag. Because the bag itself isn't waterproof, so just for electronics and things, just an spray. I just got a climbing grade carabiner on the strap. Tourniquet. Mechanics impact gloves. Phoenix LD22 flashlight. Utensils. Titanium chopsticks, which I've heat coloured. And knife and fork. Victorinox Ranger, Schmog, Leatherman Piranha 2, Victorinox bit set, Falconivan DC3, and about 50 or 60 feet of number 36 bank line. Little repair kit. Nothing's changed with this, though I can't remember if I deleted the video that I showed it in or not, but if I did then I'll go over it again. It's got a safety pin, some original cord that the kit came with, and some inner guts of 550 paracord, and it's this Italian military surplus sewing kit. A piece of leather for a thimble. Saves a lot of space. That, and I can't find thimbles that fit me because all the thimbles are made for women. It's apparently only women sew. Buttons. Another safety pin. Needle threader. Heavy duty sail needle. And just a few standard size needles. And some 30-pound spider wire. And a few more buttons. I have to tie them back up. Had to use some buttons in a hurry to repair something. So I didn't have time to put them back together again. 1-inch Gorilla tape, and a portable battery charger, and some cables for the flashlights and phone. And that's it for in there. And in the main compartment is nothing. So that's it for my EDC for this month. Thanks for watching. Sayonara.